Hello friends, today we are going to discuss how to count in your Google Docs documents. So if you want to count the number of tests in your Google documents, you can click on tools and you can see the word count. If you like to use the shortcut key, you can uh, press Ctrl Shift plus C, or you can just click here. Then you can see this box, pages there, words there, characters excluding spaces there. If you want to display the word count while typing, you can click here, then OK. Then you can see word counts here. If you uh, type new words, it will update here. So if you want to hide word count, you can click this arrow and you can see the number of words, characters. So if you want to check the numbers of selections, you can select the paragraph or sentence, then you can see the number of that selections. If you want to hide word count, you can click hide word count. Okay, if you have any questions related to this, you can comment below. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch my next video, please subscribe my channel.